Here's a quick update. Here's a quick update of the front raised bed and the side raised bed. Start with the front raised bed. Give you a quick update how we're doing. We what's today? 29 August. So we are no 29 July. Yes, July. So we're going on August. So we are slap bang in the middle of the winter. It's getting cold and really cold. I was about to go put on a jacket just right now. So I want to give you an update of what these raised beds looks like, because very soon now I'll have to start preparing them for spring. On this one, you'll see I've added a bit of chicken manure and stuff, because we're getting to that process of getting them ready. Anyway, let me not waste much time talking. Let me show you this. Yeah, so this is the front raised bed. As you can see, look at these onions. They look way much better than the onions on the tires. Even though the basil there looks a little bit sourish and the leaves are yellowish. So yeah, I'm not sure whether it's a lack of water or what is it, but yeah, it's not looking that great. And yeah, the lettuce bolted, it's flowering, so I'm sure there will be some self-seeded lettuce coming up here in the near future. That's what's that there? I think that's broccoli there. Those are two broccolis and onions, red cabbage, green cabbage, and lambs ears there. That plant there, I also bought it in Pietermaritzburg. It's called the lamb's ears. Yeah. But as you can see, most of the stuff here is about ready to harvest. So I'll be harvesting it. And then here's the chicken manure I was talking about that I've dumped in here with charcoal and all mixed up with compost. So I'll harvest this, clear this up, get it ready, fix it up, get it ready for the spring planting, because most of these here are autumn winter crops, so we need to get ready for spring planting. Let's go show you the side one here as well. A lot of eggplants, a lot of peppers, but most of it you can see they are at their end of life, so very soon I'll be pulling them out. Especially the eggplants, they grown so they look like they're still in the production phase or production mode. But unfortunately, because I want to prepare this bed for something else, I'll have to take all of this food, take it out, harvest it, and take these plants off and either put them in pots or something like that. But I need to prepare this bed for something else. As you can see, the soil has subsided here, but I'll do a video about that. So we need to fill that up as well. And this side, we're looking beautiful. This side, we're looking beautiful. Can we go in? Yes, we can go in. Look at that. Look at this. We're looking beautiful. Look at this. This is what I wanted to show you before my camera did something strange on me. Apparently now this camera can't be flipped. Anyway, this blueberry plant, I bought it in Pietermaritzburg a few months back. And when I bought it, the guy that sold it to me, he was actually discouraging me from buying it because he was saying, well, he assumed that I was from Pietermaritzburg, but I had to tell him that I'm not from there. I'm from Durban, which is about almost 80 k's away from PMP, so I'm a little bit far from Pietermaritzburg. Because he was saying these people that have bought from them were complaining that these blueberry bushes don't do well in Pietermaritzburg. Basically, they don't flower, they don't produce or anything like that. And look at this one. This one looks beautiful. This one, I'm loving it. I'm loving this new growth there. I'm loving the flowering, you know. And to think of it, it's doing all of this in this small pot, you know, in this small pot container that I bought it in originally. So I need to prepare to move it to the ground, and I pray that it will remain like this, because I have a very, very, very bad history with blueberries. Very, very bad history with blueberries. I can't seem to be able to keep them thriving and doing well. Last year was the first time on the other blueberry bush that I have on the as part of the garden that we managed to get a blueberry bush to do well. So this will be the second one that hopefully will manage to get it to do well. So far, I've done nothing except watering it, and I think I added a bit of chicken compost. That's about it. Yeah. So, but we will see. Fingers crossed. This is what I wanted to show you. That box up there has finally managed to get some tenants in it. It's a pity now. It's late in the afternoon or evening. So I think they probably are sleeping now. I don't know what they're doing actually. But there are tenants in there. I'll make a video maybe tomorrow when they are awake and busy, buzzing around. And the good thing is that this tree here, during spring, it attracts a lot of them tenants anyway. So, yeah, I'm just a little bit worried. That lid keeps tilting every day I come here. I notice it has moved. I think the monkeys are trying to get their hands in there. Yeah, well, anyway, there's bees in there, there's tenants in there.